Phases of the moon. Since humans have walked the earth, we have stared at the changing moon with wonder. But what really causes the appearance of the moon to change so drastically? The answer has to do with the position of not just the moon, but the sun and the earth as well. Remember that the sun is the center of our solar system, and the earth is revolving around the sun as the year goes by and rotating on its axis. But at the same time, the moon is revolving around the earth and rotating on its own axis. The moon revolves around the earth approximately every 28 days or 1 month. Its rotation is also approximately 28 days. So the same side of the moon is always facing the earth. The moon does not give off its own light. It reflects light from the sun. Half of the moon is always lit up by the sun. As the moon orbits the earth, we see different parts of the lighted area. The revolution of the moon around the earth makes the moon look as if it is changing shape in the sky. This is caused by the different angles from which we see the lighted part of the moon's surface. These are called phases of the moon. Phase 1, the new moon. A new moon occurs when the sun, the moon, and the earth are almost in a straight line. The light from the sun is hitting the side of the moon facing away from the earth. The phase after the new moon is called the waxing crescent moon. The word waxing means increasing or growing larger. The word crescent means less than half. The right side of the moon would appear lit and grow larger every day. The next phase is the first quarter moon. Approximately 1 week later, we see half of the lighted side of the moon. This is called a first quarter moon. So 1 week is where we get first from. And also the alignment, the sun, the earth, and the moon create a 90-degree angle. Waxing gibbous moon. Again, waxing means increasing or growing larger. Gibbous means more than half. The right side of the moon will continue to appear lit and grow larger every day. So more than half of the moon will be lit. The next phase is the full moon. 2 weeks after the new moon, a full moon appears. The entire lighted side of the moon is facing Earth. And we also get where the sun, the earth, and the moon form a straight line. With a full moon, the earth is in the center. Waning gibbous moon. The word waning means to decrease or grow smaller. Gibbous again means more than half. The amount of moon that we see will grow smaller and smaller every day. So we have the sun, the earth, and the moon. Third quarter moon is also called the last quarter moon because it is the last quarter moon phase in the cycle. 3 weeks after the new moon, a third quarter moon appears. 3 weeks, third. We can see half of the lighted surface of the moon from the earth. So again, sun, earth, moon create a 90-degree angle. The last phase of the cycle is the waning crescent moon. Waning means decreasing or growing smaller. Crescent means less than half. The crescent will continue to grow smaller every day until the moon looks like the new moon. 4 weeks after the new moon, another new moon appears and the cycle starts again. In between each of the quarter phases are other distinct phases. New moon, waxing crescent. Waxing again means to grow. First quarter, which is a week after the new moon. Waxing gibbous. Gibbous means to be humpback or more than half lit. Full moon, which is 2 weeks after the new moon. Waning gibbous. Waning means to decrease. Third quarter moon, or 3 weeks after the new moon. Waning crescent. Here's a diagram with the sun. Remember, the new moon is always between the sun and the earth, and it goes counterclockwise from there. Here's a diagram made with Oreo cookies.